do anything. It wasn't me.
What if I told you this entire film, the characters, the voices, the cinematography, was made with AI, completely free in a single afternoon? Yes, that's right. In the next few minutes, I'll show you the exact step-by-step workflow, turning your idea into a film script, creating a detailed storyboard, and turning them into a complete film using free AI tools. So, let's dive in. The film we're making today is a crime thriller called The Hunted Detective. It's about a detective the whole city believes is a killer. He's on the run from the police and the criminals, and he has to solve the case while being hunted. Pretty cinematic, right? Okay, enough talk. Let's start creating the video. To create any film or video, we need the script first. If you already have one, great. Otherwise, create one with ChatGPT or generally. I'm using ChatGPT. I'm entering the video idea. This is my prompt. Write a 3-minute short film script. Genre: crime thriller. Plot: a city detective is framed for murder. The whole city believes he's the killer. He must run from both the police and the real criminals while investigating to clear his name. Include 3 to 4 main characters with clear names, short, punchy dialogue, and 18 to 20 scenes. Write it in screenplay format. A few tips here. Keep it short. 3 minutes of film is about 18 to 20 scenes. Give your characters clear, distinct names. The AI uses these to track who's who. And keep dialogue simple and punchy. Okay, enter the script and hit the send button. And here it is. My script came back with 4 characters. Detective Ethan Cross, our framed hero. Captain Maya Reed, Ethan's former mentor, leading the manhunt. Victor Kane, ruthless crime boss. Lena Brooks, investigative journalist and Ethan's only ally. Perfect. Copy that script. We'll need it in a second. Okay, our script is ready. Now I will create the storyboard. And to do that, I will use Google Flow. Now Google not only offers image and video generation, but it also comes with various tools and features. Storyboard generation is one of them. Okay, once you are on the Google Flow dashboard, create a new project. Once the project is ready, you will be inside this interface. Now, we can create the images and videos from here. However, we create the storyboard first. And to access the Storyboard Studio, come to the Tools tab from here. You will find a vast number of tools to create images, videos, and other content. Scroll down and find the Storyboard Studio. It's under the prompting section. Click on it. Once the Storyboard Studio is selected, we have to select the visual style first. You can create realistic, 3D, claymation, concept sketch, and charcoal style. I will go with realistic. Now click on Get Started. Now go to the Script tab, paste in the script we just wrote, and hit the arrow. Watch this. The AI reads the whole thing and automatically breaks it down into scenes, shots, and dialogue. Our entire film structure was built in about 30 seconds. Okay, our script is ready. Now let's move forward to asset generation. Click the Assets tab. This is where we lock in our characters and locations so they never change. Here, you can see that it creates all the potential assets like character, location, and props. Now you can select any of them, enter the prompt, and generate the character or any kind of asset. If you don't have any idea, you can click on the autofill button here. Once done, the AI reads the script and generates a design for each character it finds. The image is generating, and here it is. All the images are ready. Now, you can preview all the images and customize them if needed. Here on the right side, you will find all the prompts and settings. Just customize them and regenerate the image. Okay, our characters are ready. Now, we will create the location and the props images. The process is the same. Just click on the autofill button. The AI will create the images for you. Once the images are ready, analyze them and customize them if needed. Okay, all of our assets are ready. Now let's move forward to the most interesting part, the storyboard generation. Come to the Storyboard tab. Here's our script, laid out scene by scene. Each scene has several shots. You can adjust it with the number indicator in the top right of each scene block. You can design the shot or hit the autofill button to create the shot. I am clicking on the autofill button for my first scene. After a short time, I got this result. And you can see the result. It creates a perfect shot for our scene. Now, we can customize the scene if needed. Everything is customizable, so we have absolute control. Okay, now let's create the second scene storyboard images. Just click on the autofill button, and the AI will create the images for us. And here it is. The images are ready. They look awesome. Now, in the same method, create storyboard images for all the scenes. Take your time here. The better your storyboard, the better your final film. Okay, all the storyboard images are ready. Now before moving forward to the video generation, I will create all the characters inside the flow so that the voice remains consistent for every scene. So, go to the Character tab and create a new character. You can add an image, a text description, and create a new character. However, as we already have the character, I will click on Select from Assets and then select my first character image. Once the character is added, we will create the body image. So, select the body option and then type full body in the text prompt, and then click on the Format button from here. It will create a detailed prompt. Now hit the Generate button to create the body image. While the body image is generating, let's add a voiceover for this character. Just click on Select a Voice from here and you will find all the voiceover. Listen to some of them and then select the best one. Once everything is set, give it a name and then hit the Done button. Okay, our first character is ready. Now, let's create the second character. Come to the Character tab, click on Create a New Character. Add the character image from the gallery. Once done, create the body image, set a voice actor, and once everything is set, give the name, and then save the character. Now in the same way, create all other characters and save them. Okay, our key elements. Storyboard image, characters. Everything is ready. Now it's time to create the video clips. To create the video clips, come to the prompt box and make sure the agent mode is open. Now, go back to the storyboard tool and copy the first scene description. Now come to the prompt box and paste the description in the box. Now, we have to add the assets and storyboard images. I will add all the characters used in this scene. Once done, I will add the storyboard images one by one. Now, inside the agent settings, you can set all the settings, like whether you need to confirm before every generation, image generation aspect ratio, number of images, image model, video generation aspect ratio, number of videos, and video model. I will use the Omni Flash model to create the video. Okay, we are done. Save the settings, and then hit the Send button. Now, the agent will take charge. First, it will analyze the script and assets, and then create a sequence of shots. This is amazing. Now, I will create a visual grid for this video. Okay, here it is. The grid is ready. This is a perfect visual storyboard. Now let's create the final video clip. So I am typing. Now create the video according to plan. And here it is. You can see that it will use Gemini Omni Flash for the video generation. We just have to approve the generation. Okay, our video is generating. And here it is. The video is ready.
Freeze! Hands in the air! Don't move! Get down on the ground now!
I didn't do anything. It wasn't me.
Look at the quality. It looks like it came from a Hollywood film. Okay, now using the same method, create all the other scenes and then assemble them as the final video like this.
Freeze! Hands in the air! Don't move! Get down on the ground now!
I didn't do anything. It wasn't me.
Units be advised, suspect is considered armed and dangerous. Proceed with extreme caution. Do not engage unless backup is in position.
The city's most trusted detective, now its most wanted killer.
Ethan, don't move. Everyone thinks you did it.
Then help me prove I didn't, Lena. I was set up.
And there it is, a complete short film made entirely with AI. Not only film, you can create any kind of video using this method. If this helped you, hit subscribe and drop a comment telling me what film you're going to make. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one.